Morning class 8. Here today we will understand finding out the square root of a given number by estimation. That is, we have to use estimation method to find out the square root of a given number. So take a look at this. Topic is finding a square root by estimation. Chapter is squares and square root, you know. Here I am taking first example, find the square root of 10 by estimation. For solution, first we have to search the nearest squares of 10. That is, the perfect square near to 10 are 9 and 16. It means 9 is the perfect square which is less than 10, and 16 is the perfect square which is just greater than 10. So you can write 9 as 3 square and 16 as 4 square, and the number 10 in between 3 square and 4 square. That is, you can say that square root of 10 is in between 3 and 4. It means 3 and 4. The required value is in between 3 and 4. So we can guess that the answer is between 3 and 4. That is this. Let us try with 3.5, as the square root of 10 is 3.5. So we can check 3 is less than 3.5 and is greater than 3 and 4 is greater than 3.5. But 3.5 square, that is 3.5 into 3.5, is 12.25, which is also greater than 10. Since 12.25 is greater than 10, it means 4 is left. Now 3.5 is the number. So the 10 is in between 3 square and 3.5 square. So you can write square root of 10 is in between 3 and 3.5. Now let us further reduce the number from 3.5 to 3.2. Now find out 3.2 into 3.2, that is 3.2 square, which is 10.24, which is also greater than 10. So we can write 3 square, 10 and 3.2 square. It means 10 is in between 3 square and 3.2 square. That is, square root of 10 is in between 3 and square root of 3.2. Sorry, not 3.2. This is wrong. 3 and 3.2. It means the square root of 10 is in between 3 and 3.2. Now let us try with 3.1. So that 3.1 into 3.1, that is 9.61. Now we can say that 9.1 is less than 10, less than 10. So the required number is in between 9.6 is in between 9.61 and 10.624. That is 3.1 square and 3.2 square in between 10. Now you can say that a square root of 10 is in between 3.1 and 3.2. And 9.61 and 10.24. So 10.24 is much closer than 9.61. It means 10 is nearer to 10.24. So you can say that the square root of 10 is the square root of 10.24, that is 3.2. But it is approximate value. So it is written here approximately. Now I am taking another example. Find the square root of 410 by estimation. So you have to check the square number or perfect square which is nearer to 410. You know 400 is a perfect square and 441 is also a perfect square, which is 410 is in between 400 and 441. So you can write 20 square less than 410 and it is less than 21 square. So we guess the answer is between 20 and 21 first. Now let us try with 20.3 as 20 is less than 20.3 is less than 21. Now 20.3 square is 20.3 into 20.3 is 412.09. And you know this number is greater than 410. So we can write 20 square is less than 410 is less than 20.3 square. Now the number in between these two numbers. It means the square root of 410 is in between 20 and 20.3. Now once again we try for 20.3. 20.2. 20.2 square is 20.2 into 20.2 which is 408.04, and you know 408.04 is less than 410. So 408.04 is less than 410 is less than 412.09. So we can say that 20.2 square is less than 410 and 20.3 is square greater than. And now now 410 square root of 410 is in between 20.2 and 20.3. You know 20.2 square which is 408.4 and 20.3 square which is 412.09 which is nearer to 410. This is nearer to 410. So we can say that this is nearer or this is near. This is near. Okay. 410 is 408.04 is nearer to 410. So we can say that a square root of 410 is 20.2. But it is approximate value. So I am writing here approximately. So students, this is the way of finding out a square root by estimation. You know. This is a lengthy method, but we have to understand this method also. Thank you. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.